So the first thing we've got to do is gently tease it out of this pot and check its roots. See what they're like. Possibly way too wet, I think. Oh yeah, definitely. Nothing but wet soil down in there, which is not good. Not good for orchids. As you can see by these roots, some of them are yellowed. Probably gonna have to cut some of these off if they don't seem viable. I'm going to take all of this yucky potting mix away from the roots. I want to give it more air. It definitely needs more aeration. So let's see if we can tease this away from the roots. That's a good amount of roots. Definitely a little too wet. Trying to decide if I need to cut some of these. Some of them might look dead. This thing needs some air. Definitely needs air and repotting. It's been sitting in wet soil for far too long, which is not good for it and probably why it's not blooming. So stay with me as we go through this process. I don't know if you can see how the roots are. Don't look too bad, I guess, considering, but definitely I think the sphagnum moss is going to help. I might even put it in a new pot. I had it in this pot, but I don't know, got a cute little decorative pot here, or I might get one that has more holes. So stay tuned.